Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of smart home technology with a product that promises to enhance your home automation experience, the Lutron Caseta Smart Hub. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Lutron Caseta Smart Hub? In simple terms, it's a reliable smart home controller that connects a wide array of devices, allowing you to manage everything from lights to shades to music all from one platform. Unlike other smart home hubs that rely heavily on Wi-Fi, the Lutron Caseta Smart Hub uses a unique technology called Clear Connect, which means it maintains a strong and reliable connection without interfering with your existing Wi-Fi network. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of the Lutron Caseta Smart Hub. One of its most impressive aspects is its compatibility with more leading smart home brands than any other hub on the market. This includes major players like Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, Ring, and Sonos. This extensive compatibility allows you to manage your home's lighting, temperature, shades, and even music seamlessly. The hub supports up to 75 Caseta devices, making it easy to personalize your smart home setup and expand it as your needs change over time. Whether you want to dim your lights, switch them on or off, or control your Serena shades, the hub makes it all possible with simple voice commands, thanks to its integration with Alexa and other voice assistants. Installation is straightforward. The Lutron Caseta Smart Hub simply plugs into an outlet and connects to your Wi-Fi router. From there, you just need to download the Lutron app, follow the easy setup instructions, and you'll be ready to go in no time. This user-friendly approach makes it accessible for anyone, whether you're a tech-savvy user or someone who's new to smart home devices. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who loves the idea of a smart home but doesn't want the hassle of managing multiple apps and systems, the Lutron Caseta Smart Hub is a great choice. It's perfect for families looking to simplify their home automation, as well as individuals who appreciate the convenience of voice control. Whether you're a homeowner or renting, this hub provides flexible solutions to meet your needs. Now, let's explore some practical use cases. Imagine coming home after a long day at work. With just a simple command to your Alexa device, your lights turn on, and your favorite playlist starts playing, all thanks to the Lutron Caseta Smart Hub. Or picture this, you're hosting a dinner party, and instead of fumbling with light switches, you can create the perfect ambience with a voice command. You could even automate your shades to close at sunset, ensuring your guests enjoy a cozy atmosphere without you lifting a finger. Another great feature is the ability to set schedules. For instance, you can program your lights to gradually brighten in the morning, helping you wake up naturally, or set them to dim in the evening as part of your wind-down routine. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, the Lutron Caseta Smart Hub is a powerful and versatile tool for anyone looking to streamline their smart home experience. Its ease of use, extensive compatibility, and reliable connection set it apart from the competition, making it a valuable addition to any household. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.